Lesson 36, Science 7, and today you're going to check your understanding of human genetics. You'll need your pencil, your science journal with all of your entries, and you'll need the Google form link that's posted on Schoology. But before you check your understanding, let's do a quick recap of some key science ideas. First, parents pass on half of their DNA to their children. We saw this when we were doing our simulation. The egg cells and the sperm cells only had half of mom and dad's chromosomes, 23 chromosomes, instead of the full 46. Second, it's totally chance which chromosomes are passed from parent to child. Every time we created an egg and sperm in the simulation, we didn't know which chromosomes were being selected. So inheritance is totally random. Some siblings can look very similar because maybe they happen to inherit by chance many gene combinations which result in many of the same phenotypes. For example, even if one child inherited two dominant alleles for round face and the other child inherited a dominant and a recessive allele, it wouldn't matter because both gene combinations lead to a round face, and those two siblings would look the same for that trait. Now, if they inherit multiple gene combinations which lead to the same outcome, those siblings tend to start to resemble each other more and more. They look really similar. But siblings can also look very different from each other because maybe they inherited many gene combinations which led to many different phenotypes. Take this example. Let's say one sibling inherited just a few dominant alleles for skin color, and that led to the child having a pale complexion. But the other sibling inherited more dominant alleles, and that led to a darker complexion. So they looked different for that trait. If enough traits had different gene combinations, then the siblings would start to look really different from each other. And sometimes by chance, that happens. I want you now to take time to assess your understanding of human genetics. Go to that Google link form posted on Schoology and take the Google form. Go for it, Science 7. I am so proud of all of you for how you've worked through our distance learning series. Every day, I want you to consider yourself really lucky to be able to be thinking and learning.